What's going on, everybody? Tanner here with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. And in today's video is going to be a challenge store update on how much I've generated in the past month. Well, not the past month, in the past half of a month, 15 days. So we're basically going to be going through, I'll show you the sales and explain to you everything that's sort of going on. And if you're new here and you don't really know what I'm talking about, the challenge store or whatever, basically about a month ago or 2 months ago, or I don't remember exactly when it was, I started a live stream series where I showed building a store from nothing and starting all the marketing and product research and all that. You can go watch those past videos. The live streams are saved on my channel, so you can check that out. But basically I showed everything, and through a twist of events I had to make a new store and hide the link and all that because just some different stuff started happening. And if you want to know more about it, you can go watch those videos. I don't want to explain it to those of you that already know about sort of what's happening. Been traveling for the past 2 weeks. I've been doing a lot of different things other than dropshipping. Honestly, that hasn't been my main focus lately, dropshipping, but I will get back to that in a separate video. You'll see soon sort of what I'm doing now and what I'm focusing my main time on and investing myself into. So as far as the challenge store goes, I'll be honest here. I'm not gonna say, I've been working super hard. I've been, making tens of thousands every day on the store. I'll be honest and straightforward right here. I've been lazy with it, okay? I haven't been spending as much time on it as I should, literally like an hour a week maybe, The orders are getting fulfilled automatically. And other than that, the Facebook ads just run by themselves and generate income on autopilot. But the thing is, for the past 2 weeks, it's only been doing about 1,000 a day. Some days it'll do like 800 a day revenue, and some days it'll do like a 1,500 revenue. And I know in the last challenge store update it was doing about the same number, so we've still been getting the consistent same numbers. And the thing is, since that past video, I really haven't changed anything. I went back through yesterday and messed around with the Facebook ads a little bit, and I turned some of the ad sets off that were not profitable, and really just when I first started, building the new store, I did a lot of product testing, a lot of product research, and I found like 5 products that were profitable and made me money and continue to make me money. But as it's been like a month now, really not all of those products are as profitable as they once were. They started off with the 5 ROAS. That's something with Facebook ads. You start something, a new product, and it may be good from the start, but it's never gonna last like that forever. There's some ways you can twist it around and make it work, but the truth is, like, some people find the product, they start testing the same exact way, and sometimes it's just not gonna be as profitable. The more sales you get, sometimes the ad account will optimize better and make you more money, a higher conversion value. But for me, some of these products are they're not making me as much money as I should, as I want it to be. The ROAS, the return on my ad spend, so I had to, fix it around some things, make some new custom audiences, some lookalikes, and actually Facebook now has value-based lookalikes. A lot has to go into it when you're making them. I'll probably make a video on that. It's a little bit complex if you're new to Facebook ads and all that kind of stuff. But basically, the challenge store, it's cruising along. I gotta make a statement right now that I need to spend more time on it, and I'm gonna work harder on it, and I'm gonna continue to grow it, but I really need to speed it up. It's only at about $45,000 in revenue since I started it, and I know I said I'm giving it away at $100,000 in revenue. So make sure you drop a like and comment on this video if you haven't already, and subscribe if you're new, because I will be giving it away and flying someone in and teaching them everything about Facebook ads that I know and showing them how to manage a store and continue to make money on autopilot. Right now I'm spending about $400 to $500 a day in ads. Well, as of right now, I'm not. I'm spending less than that because I turned off some campaigns. But for the past 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I've been traveling and stuff. I basically was spending $400 to $500 a day. I was getting around $1,500 to $2,000 in sales a day. I know I just said earlier in this video that I was doing, some days under 1,000, some days around 2K. And it was really just very fluctuant, but basically whatever the ad spend was relative to the actual conversion value, it was about a 3 or 3.5 ROAS, which is good, it's profitable, but it's not as profitable as I want it to be. The way I like to look at it is that if it's a 5 ROAS or more, I'm killing it and I love it and I want to keep it there or make it even higher. But recently I've just been lazy. I haven't been testing a bunch of new products. I've literally probably tested like 5 products in the past like 4 weeks or so. Just on this store, which I know I'm being lazy, guys. I'm sorry. I'm gonna get back into it with this store. I've just been focusing on so many other things, the other dropshipping stores I have to manage, all the other businesses that I'm invested to now, and all these different things that I'm doing. But trust me, I'll get back onto it and keep you guys updated with everything. I don't even know the last time I made a challenge store update. That was a while ago. But anyways, for those of you that are new to the channel and sort of wondering, how I actually made this money, basically it all came from product research, product testing, and then figuring out how to scale. So as far as Facebook ads go, everybody wants to know, is Facebook ads real? Like, do you actually make a lot of money from it? Is it easy? Is it hard? How do I start? And the truth about it is that it's really just trial and error. As many courses that I've been through, YouTube videos and stuff, I've learned about Facebook ads. Mostly I've learned the fundamentals and some advanced stuff that have helped me a lot. But really when it comes down to it, the skills that have made me the most amount of money with Facebook ads has been through trial and error, you know, figuring out what works and what doesn't, managing different ad accounts at the same time that are spending, whether it's $1,000 a day, $5,000 a day, $100 a day, whatever it is, figuring out how to manage that budget I have for the Facebook ads and how to maintain a ROAS that makes me a lot of money and continues to generate money, and how to keep the store running. So the thing about this challenge store is that it's a general store, so the data is sort of all over the place. It's hard to optimize as best as possible if it was with, you know, a one product store or a niche store, or something that was just very narrowed down to a select number of products. So what we're talking about here with this general store and the data and, you know, making sales and all this stuff, you know, generating $1,000 to $2,000 a day is not that hard. I'm gonna be honest here. You know, I showed you guys in past videos, you know, just building the old store through the live stream series. I showed you everything I do except for scaling. I didn't really go into depth on scaling. You know, that's something I've been learning a lot lately, is actual scaling, you know, learning from other people. Like I used to have a marketing agency do it for me, and now I figured out how to do it on my own with all the custom audiences and the lookalikes and optimizing for different objectives, you know, added cards, add payment information, purchase, all those things. I used to just only optimize for purchase, and I do that for the campaigns. But when it comes down to the actual ad set, now I've been starting to test, you know, more of, you know, optimizing for add to carts or payment information or any of those things that I've talked about. But I'm sure if you're new to dropshipping, you're new to Facebook ads, all this stuff I'm talking about right now really doesn't make sense and you don't really understand what I'm talking about. So I would recommend go to my past videos about Facebook ads and just sort of see an overview of what I'm doing and how I do it, and getting an overall understanding of the Facebook Ads Manager, how to start ads, how to test products, and how to scale a little bit. So I'll probably make a video on that, actually, just giving you guys a better overview of all of Facebook ads and how it all comes together and works. But as far as the $15,000 in the past 15 days, it might sound like a lot of money to a lot of you, but the reality of it is it's not that hard to actually make all that money, and it's not all profit. The profit right now is only about $4,000 to $5,000 from those past 15 days, so we're only looking at about a 30 to 35% profit margin here with our dropshipping store, which is not that bad for a dropshipping store. You know, the average is like 20 to 40%, so we're doing well. But the thing is, I've been starting to test with higher ticket items, things. I'm actually going to make a video on that. I have a very high margin on this one product, but testing with higher margins has done me really well with this store and my other stores that I'm running right now, just because the higher the profit margin or the break-even point is, which is however much you sell the product for minus the actual AliExpress cost. You know, I've just been getting a $20 higher break-even point for my products, because why would I want to go lower than that? I realize that the lower your break-even point is, the less profit you're going to make. You know, you may have something that you can buy for 20 cents and sell it for $2, and you have this crazy profit margin percentage-wise, but when it comes down to the actual dollar amount or a penny amount, whatever it is, then it's going to take, you know, a lot more orders to make a lot of profit. So when it comes down to actually scaling with Facebook ads, I prefer, or even just product testing, is to go with products that I can build a $20 or more margin on it and create that perceived value in order to make sales. But as far as this general store goes, the challenge series store, I want you guys to keep me accountable here, because I've been so lazy with it, and honestly I've just been focusing on so many other things. I know I've said that like 5 times in this video, but it's the truth. Keep me accountable, guys. Comment on my YouTube videos, DM me on Instagram, and tell me, you know, keep product testing, keep scaling, keep focusing on the store, because once it gets to 100,000 in revenue, you know, like I said, flying someone out, teaching them everything, giving them the store, everything like that, and then maybe I'll still be involved with the store. We'll see what happens, but I'm pretty excited to see the future of where everything goes. But yeah, guys, if you have any questions, comment below right now, and I'll try to get back to them, whether it's about the store, about the ads, whatever it is. I'll probably make a more detailed video later on showing the actual ads and all that stuff, because right now there's only 3 campaigns that are running profitable, 2 products and the retargeting. The retargeting is actually killing it. It's just that I'm spending such a small amount. The ROAS is like 10 to 15 all the time for the retargeting every single day, but the thing is that I'm only spending a very minuscule amount relative to, you know, how much traffic I'm getting to the store. So keep me accountable, guys. I want to continue to product test, continue to do all of these things to get the store rolling and making more sales. I'm gonna get on that. Actually, I have to film like 10 more videos tonight, so if you're watching my YouTube videos, you watch them every day, then you're probably gonna see the same shirt, the same layout here for the next few videos, because I got a lot of stuff to do other than making YouTube videos. So I wanted to do it all in one day today and just get things done and get the ball rolling, so I can continue to focus on all of my other things that I need to do. And honestly, when it comes down to actual work, people always wonder, like, how much do I actually work every day, hour-wise, or, you know, whatever it is. It's not as much as you think. What I like to do is, I want to say cram, but I like to get all my work done in like a short amount of time. Not a short amount of time, but let's say I have to film 30 videos in a month, because I post every single day. then I will take one day out of the month and film all of those videos and prepare for them. This is my first time trying it. I'm not doing 30 right now, I'm only doing 10. The most I filmed in a day was 12, but you know, getting all the videos done, let's say I'm doing 10 today, then I don't have to film another video for 10 days. Within those 10 days, I can come up with new video ideas, plan for new videos. I can focus my time on a lot of other things instead of having to worry about a video when I've already prepared it for you guys to give you guys some knowledge. And I have a lot of cool video ideas coming out over the next 10 days anyways, so stay tuned for that and keep watching these videos if you enjoy it and are getting some value out of it. But as far as this general store goes, guys, keep me accountable like I said, and I'm going to keep you guys updated with everything that's going on. And if you're new here, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and hit the like button, turn on notifications. I post every single day, and honestly, it's just about providing value here for you guys. And I'm actually working on this little thing for you guys. It's going to cost like $5 to $10. I'm putting together this sort of mini course or mini package for beginners for dropshipping to give them an understanding of every single little thing that I do to help them start dropshipping and become profitable within the first week. And like I said, this is not going to be like my actual course where it's $300 and there's 80 plus videos with featured guests and all this, you know, very advanced stuff. It's going to be very basic, very cheap, and it's going to help a lot of you guys. I'm excited to see it, and the reason why I'm not doing it for free is just because there's a lot of value in it that I want to provide that I don't post on YouTube, and I feel like it's sort of worth my time and to pay for expenses. I sort of want to pay for my time. You know, I post all these YouTube videos all the time for free. Everybody wants to know why I charge for a course, and that's because the content, I don't want everybody in the world being able to see the content that's in there just because it's valuable. There's a lot of guests, a lot of secret gold nuggets that people haven't seen before, and just keeping others updated. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.